So hello friend, today I am going to discuss some most important question from class ninth geography, and all the question has been taken from the class ninth NCERT book. So let's discuss each and every question, and also you can test your knowledge, how much you know about class ninth geography. So let's start the video and discuss the question one by one. So here first question is India entirely lying in. So there are four options: northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So basically India completely lying in northern hemisphere. So here you can see the explanation also. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extend between latitude 8 degree 4 minute and 37 degree 6 minute and longitudes that is 68 degree 7 minute e and 97 degree 25 minute e means east. Second question, the latitude of India mainland extend between. In last question, in explanation, we have also see. So the answer is 8 degree 4 minute and 37 degrees 6 minute n. So this is latitude, and here you can see longitude that is 68 degrees 7 minute. Okay, so next question is the longitude of India's mainland extend between, that is 68 degrees 7 minute E and 97 degree 25 minute. The Tropic of Cancer divide the India. So basically the Tropic of Cancer divide India in two equal part. So correct option is two equal part. Next question is this southernmost point of India is. So southernmost point of India is, that is Indra Point. Don't be confused about India Point and Indra Point. Correct option is Indra Point. Now the land mass of India has an area of, so the area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, and that is about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. कहने का मतलब है इंडिया का जो एरिया है वो है 3.28 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, जो कि वर्ल्ड का 2.4% है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इंडिया इज टोटल एरिया अकाउंट फॉर अबाउट, दैट इज अबाउट 2.4%, क्योंकि पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि जो इंडिया का टोटल एरिया है दैट इज 2.4% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स एरिया. Now, India is largest country of the world in term of area. So India is seventh largest country of the world in term of area. And so here you can see uh, India is after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. Means the world largest country is Russia in term of area, and India having seventh position. So land boundary of India is about, so land boundary of India is about 50,200 kilometer. And here you can see the explanation also. The total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is, that is 7,516.6 kilometer. How much time lag between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat? So the time lag between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is near about 2 hours. and we have already discussed many times what is basically reason behind it. That you can see my previous video. In that video you can find this what is basically region. So standard meridian of India is passing through. So basically standard meridian of India is passing through Mirzapur, that is situated in UP. So India is a extension of the Asia continent. So India is basically southward extension of Asia continent. Since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India is distance from Europe has been reduced by. So जैसे इस कैनल को ओपन किया गया तो जो इंडिया और यूरोप की डिस्टेंस था वो 7,000 किलोमीटर कम हो गई. How many countries share their boundary with India? So there are 7 countries who share their border with India, and these are China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. Means there are 7 countries which share their border with India. India southern neighbor across the sea consists of the two island countries, namely. So basically, India contains two island countries, that is Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated by India by a narrow channel called Palk Strait. So here Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of a sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Island are situated to south of the Lakshadweep Island. So basically correct option is Palk Strait, and we have already discussed this question before. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. So here basically the Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम and Rajasthan. So here Odisha is correct option. The eastmost longitude of India is, so that is 97 degree 25 minute. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontier with, means these states have a border with which country? So there are 4 options: China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar. So correct option is Nepal. The northernmost range of Himalaya is known as, so that is known as Great Himalayas, Inner Himalayas, as well as Hadri. So basically these are three names of northernmost range of Himalaya. The highest peak of Himalaya is, the highest peak of Himalaya is Mountain Everest, as we know. Mountain Everest is located in, so basically Mountain Everest is located in Nepal. Height of Mountain Everest is, that is 8,848 meter. The highest mountain peak of India is, so the highest mountain peak of India is Kanchenjunga. Which one is not located in Nepal? So Kanchenjunga is not located in Nepal because Kanchenjunga is located in India. The range lying to the south of Himadri is known as, that is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. So C option is correct. The outermost range of Himalaya is called, that is called Sivalik. The part of Himalaya lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as, that is known as Punjab Himalaya, Kashmir Himalaya and Himachal Himalaya. So all of these options are correct. The part of Himalayas lying between Kali and Satluj river known as, that is known as Kimau Himalaya. The part of Himalayas lies between Tista and the Hang river is known as, that is known as Assam, Himalaya. Patkai Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, and Mizo Hills located in basically these are located in Purvanchal. Here you can see the explanation. The North Plain has been formed by the interplay of three major rivers and their tributaries. These are so basically North Plain has been formed by basically the Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Indus. Majuli is located in which river? So Majuli is located in the Brahmaputra. The largest inhabited riverine island in the world is Majuli. Majuli in the Brahmaputra River is the largest inhabited riverine island in the world. The tributaries of the Indus are so basically tributaries मीन्स सहायक नदियाँ. सो इंडस की जो सहायक नदियाँ हैं झेलम, बीस, चिनाब, रवि एंड सतलुज सभी हैं. The western part of northern plain is referred as Punjab plain. The Ganga plain extend between river. So Ganga plain basically extend between Ghagar and Tista river. The largest part of the northern plain is known as part of the northern plain is known as Bhangar. The western Ghat are higher than the eastern Ghat. Yes, that is true. Mahanadi and Nilgiri is located in Mahanadi and Nilgiri is basically located in Eastern Ghat. The height of Western Ghat increases. So the height of Western Ghat increases from north to south. Anai Mudi and Doda Beta hills are located in. So these are located in Western Ghat. The highest peak of Western Ghat is Anai Mudi. So here in the explanation you can see the height also. Which one is located in Eastern Ghat? So Mahendgiri is located in Eastern Ghat, Anai Mudi and Doda Vista is located in Western Ghat. The northern part of the coastal plain is known as Konkan. Largest salt water lake in India is situated in Rajasthan, that is called I think Odisha. The Chilika Lake is the largest salt water lake in India. It lies in the state of Odisha to the south of Mahanadi Delta. The largest salt water lake in India is Chilika. The administrative headquarter of Lakshadweep is, so correct option is Kavadati Island. India's only active volcano is found in Barren Island. It is in, so basically this is in Laksh, this is in Andaman and Nicobar. Mountain ranges in the eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are colloquially called, Purvanchal. The western coastal strip south of Goa is referred as Konkan. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is, we have already discussed, that is Mahendragiri. Anai Mudi, that is situated in Western Ghat. Two major Himalaya rivers, the Indus and the Brahmaputra, originated from, so basically these originated from north of the mountain range. The origin of Indus River is Tibet. The Jaskar, the Nubra, the Silok and the Hunja river आर ट्राइब्यूटरीज ऑफ मीन्स सहायक नदियाँ किसकी हैं, तो ये बेसिकली सहायक नदियाँ हैं आपकी इंडस की। हाउ मच वाटर इंडिया कैन यूज कैरिड बाय द इंडस रिवर मीन्स एक हमारी समझौता हुआ था पाकिस्तान के साथ, उसमें डिसाइड किया गया था कि कितना परसेंट वाटर इंडिया यूज करेगा, तो दैट वाज ओनली 20%। ये 1960 में डिस्कशन हुआ था। the head waters of the Ganga is called, that is called Bhagirathi. At which place Ganga emerged from mountain to the plain, so that place is Haridwar. The Yamuna, the Ghagra, the Gandak and the Kosi are the tributaries, means सहायक नदियाँ किसकी हैं, तो ये गंगा की सहायक नदियाँ हैं। The northernmost point of Ganga delta is, that is West Bengal. The world's largest and fast growing delta is, that is Sundarban delta, और सुंदरबन डेल्टा में टाइगर भी पाए जाते हैं। Home of Royal Bengal tiger is, that is Sundarban delta. The place where water divide between the Indus and the Ganga, that is Ambala. The origin of the Brahmaputra is, that is Tibet. At which place Brahmaputra takes U-turn to enter in the India, so that place is named as Namcha Barwa. Brahmaputra known as the Tishangpo in and Jamuna in, so Jamuna known in Bangladesh and Tishangpo in Tibet. The Narmada rises in, so basically Narmada rises in Amarkantak hill, that is in Madhya Pradesh. The Tapi rises in Satpura range, that is also in Madhya Pradesh. Where the Godavari rises, so Godavari rises in Maharashtra, which is known as Dakshin Ganga also. So basically Godavari is also known as Dakshin Ganga. Mahanadi rises in which state? So Mahanadi rises in Chhattisgarh. Which river rises near the Mahabaleshwar? So Krishna. The Tungbhadra, the Koyna, the Ghat Prabha, the Mushi and the Bhima are tributaries of, means किसकी ये सहायक नदियां हैं, so correct option is Krishna. The Kaveri rises in Western Ghat. अमरावती, भवानी, हेमावती एंड कामनी किसकी ये सहायक नदियां हैं, करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज कावेरी. विच रिवर्स मेक्स सेकेंड बिगेस्ट वाटरफॉल इन इंडिया, दैट इज कावेरी. विच वन इज सॉल्ट लेक इन इंडिया, सो सांभर लेक is also salt lake in India, that is situated in Rajasthan. The largest freshwater lake in India is, that is Bular Lake, that is found in Jammu and Kashmir. Which is not a freshwater lake in India, so Sambhar Lake and Chilka Lake, basically these are salt lake. In which of the following state is the Bular Lake located? So Bular Lake located in Jammu and Kashmir. The river Narmada has its source at, so Amarkantak we have already discussed, that is in Madhya Pradesh. Which one of the following is a salt water lake? So Sambhar Lake is a salt water lake. Which one of the following is the longest river of the peninsular India? So that is Godavari. And which one of the following places receive highest rainfall in India? So that is in Meghalaya, that is Mayasambaram. The pressure and the wind system of any area depend upon, that is depend upon latitude and altitude both. Monsoon arrive in India approximately in, that is arrive in early June. Monsoon arrive in Delhi approximately, that is late June. The withdrawal of monsoon begin in India by early September, and the wind blowing in the northern plain in summer known as, that is known as Lu. Which one of the following causes rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India? So that is due to cyclonic depression. What is position of India in world in case of plant species? So that is 10th position. And what is position of India in Asia in case of plant species? That is 4th position. Area covered by forest in India is that is near about approx 21%. Tropical evergreen forests are found in area having rainfall is 200 centimeter. Commercially important trees, ibnoi, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, and cinchona are found in that is found in tropical evergreen forest. The most widespread forest of India is that is tropical deciduous forest. Teak is most dominant species of this forest. So basically, teak is found in tropical deciduous forest, and for other here you can read the explanation also. Teak, bamboo, sal, sesame, kahir are important species of which forest? That is tropical deciduous forest. The common animal, lion, tiger, pig, deer, elephant are generally found in, so these are generally found in tropical deciduous forest. Pine, deodar, silver, fir, spruce and cedar are found in, that is, these are found in mountain forest. Silver, fir, junipers, pines and birches are common trees of this forest, that is mountain forest. So Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jack, rabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrel, shaggy horn, wild ibex, bear, and rare red panda sheep and goat with thick hair is common animal of mountain forest. The famous Royal Bengal tiger is animal of this forest, that is mangrove forest. Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in 1972 in India. Which country has both tiger and lion? So India has both tiger and lion. To which of the following types of vegetation does rubber belong? So basically vegetation of rubber belong to tropical evergreen. Cinchona trees are found in the area of rainfall more than 100 centimeter. India's population is near about 121.0.6 million. India's population is how much percentage of world population? So that is near about 17.5%. Area of India is, we have already discussed, that is 3.28 million square kilometer. Area of India is, so that is 2.4% of the world area. Most populous state of India is, so most populous state of India is Uttar Pradesh. And which of the following has lowest population in India? So Lakshadweep has lowest population in India, and the population of Lakshadweep is near about 65,000. Almost half of the India's population lives in 5 states. These are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh. Largest state of India as per area, that is Rajasthan. The population density of India is near about 382% per square kilometer according to 2011 population index. Which state has better sex ratio? So Kerala has better sex ratio because uh, they have 1084 female per 1000 male. Which state has worse sex ratio? So Delhi has a worse sex ratio. So thank you for watching this video. I think I have covered all the important questions from the class 9th geography. So thank you for watching. If you like this, so please subscribe my channel. Also comment. So thank you.